This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to save this HTML document on your computer. You can press Ctrl S to save this document or click on Save icon, then click on Desktop. Now you have to create a new folder on desktop, so click on Create New Folder icon. Now you have to type web design. Now you have to double click on this folder, select the file name and type index. To create a HTML file, you have to sense save as type. Just click on here and find hypertext markup language. This is the hypertext markup language file. Just click on it, then click on save. Your HTML document is saved on your computer. Minimize Notepad++ software. Double click on web design folder. Here you can see index HTML document has been saved on your computer. I hope you are able to learn how to save HTML document.